Hi, you guys, it's Mrs. Leus. Today is your second day of doing your math review. We are on page 69 in our math books. You're getting ready for your chapter 1 test this week, so let's go ahead and get started. Please just follow along. And if you have any questions, when it's time to talk with me, we can go ahead and get together and have some time to review. All right, so right now we are going to go ahead and compare some numbers. Some of them are whole numbers, some of them are decimals. Remember, when we read these, we read them left to right, and you need to make sure that you're putting in the correct symbol. A nice little hint is to understand that the alligator mouth should face towards the bigger number. 14,589 is what compared to 14,985? Notice that they both have 14,000, but this one has a 5 in the hundreds place while this one has a 9. That means that this number is smaller. So my alligator mouth needs to be facing the bigger number. Number 17. 506,789, 505,789. Notice that this has a 6 in the thousands while this one has a 5. So this one is bigger. 8,913 is what compared to 8,931? These seem very similar, but notice that here in the tens place I have a 1, and over here I have a 3. 1 is smaller than 3, so it is smaller. Number 19. It's the same idea, so don't get confused when you see a decimal. We do the same steps. Here I have a 4 in the tens place, and over here I have a 7 in the tens place. 4 is smaller than 7, so we put our symbol. 9.02. 9.020. Remember that we have an infinite amount of zeros that can be sitting here. Same thing goes for this number. So actually, if you look at these are the same. So we're going to put the equal symbol. Number 21. 843 thousandths compared to 846 thousandths. They both have 8 in the tens. They both have a 4 in the hundredths, but this has a 3 and this has a 6 in the thousandths. 3 is smaller than 6. Number 22. Order the set of numbers from least to greatest. So you can do this in a few different ways, but realize that there are 4 numbers, so you need to write the 4 numbers in order, with this one being the smallest, this one being the biggest. So here we go. 13.84, 13.97, 12, and 13. I like to always start and look in the beginning set of the number. I have a 13, 13, 12, 13. Well, 12 is smaller than 13, so I know this is my smallest number. So that's going to go first. And then I'm going to cross it out because I already used it. I got to fill in these other blanks. 13.0, 13.8, 13.6. All 3 of these have a different number sitting in the 10th spot. What's the smallest? The 13.0. So that goes next. And then which one is smallest that's left? 13.8 or 13.6? 13.6 is smaller, so that goes next, which means this is my biggest number, 13.84. So it's really a process of elimination. All right, let's go ahead and do the bottom. Number 23. 1 cup is equal to 5/10 of a pint. Write this fraction as a decimal. So we're writing this fraction as a decimal. So I want you to read it out loud. 5/10. That means I need a 5 in the tenths place. So write your decimal and place the 5 in the 10th spot. Number 24. Charles is moving from Springfield, which has 482,653 people, to Greenville, which has 362,987 people. Is he moving to a city with a greater or smaller population? Please explain. So we need to compare these two. We have 482,653 is what compared to 362,987? Well, I have a 4 in the hundred thousands here, and then I have a 3 in the hundred thousands here. 4 is bigger, so my symbol goes like this. Now he's moving from Springfield, so this is Springfield, and this is Greenville. He's moving to Greenville. So is he moving to a city that's smaller or bigger? Notice that this one was bigger. So he's moving to something that has a smaller population. So the answer is smaller. And the reason is that right here, I showed it, that this number is smaller than this number. Number 25, the Pacific Ocean has 64,186,300 square miles. How many square miles is the Pacific Ocean in standard form? So all they want you to do is take this word form of a number and change it into standard, which would be in a number. So 64,186,300 square miles. And there's our number in standard form. Our last question. Which number results in a true sentence in 475, this symbol reads less than. So 475 is less than which of these numbers? 473, 474, 475, 476. I need a number over here that's going to be bigger than this one, because notice the alligator mouth is pointing here. So which number should go here to make this true? Well, 473 is smaller, 474 is smaller, 475 is equal, and 476 is bigger. So 476 would make this sentence true. So our answer is D. Okay, you guys, that is the end of our review. Please make sure you're ready for questions if you need help on anything when I see you next, and we can go over our answers and help.